Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Thomas, coming to you from Madison, Illinois on this windy day. But I'm proud to show you this beautiful, gorgeous, restored 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport. Paint job, it's close to a 10. This thing is amazing all around. Car came in from Georgia. Beautiful restoration, excellent body work, excellent trim, excellent chrome all around the car, as you can see. It's got a beautiful stance as well. I mean, hats off to the guy who restored it. I'm not sure who did, but they did a great job on the car. So you look at the chrome bumpers are excellent. All the bezels, SS grille, paint, done super slick. The louvers on the hood, like new. Wheels and tires, like new. Trim around the windows, door handles, side mirror, rear stainless steel trim, the antenna, rear taillight bezels, gas cap on the SS there. All the light markers around the car like new, all the trim around the windows like new. Very impressive. There's nothing to complain about. Wait till I show you the interior now. Really nice interior, redone. Look at the door lips. Excellent door panels with the carpet on the bottom there. New door sill plates. Excellent door jambs. Seats, really nice. Factory original SS steering wheel. Speedometer is showing, what's that, 66,451 miles. Really nice, clean interior, nice dash pad, black carpet, center console, tight headliner, rear back seat with seat belts, nice package tray, rear door panels. Just a really clean little Camaro. We'll check out the engine compartment. Engine compartment, nicely detailed, beautifully dressed. You got power steering, power disc brakes. Okay, look at this nice little 350 motor in it. MSD upgraded ignition. Factory upper and lower control arms. Bushings have been replaced. Cold air conditioning, vintage air, but it is a factory air conditioned car. Optima yellow battery, nice fan, no overheating issues. I mean, they even painted the hinges argent color and the latch, which is supposed to be like that from the factory. Chrome alternator, chrome valve covers. This is an intake off a DZ302 engine, so it's about a $1,600 intake. I wouldn't swap that out, but you don't need to. So excellent engine compartment. Now I'll show you the trunk. Super nice trunk. There's your factory stamping showing you that this is the original quarter. And on this side it has been replaced because I don't see it, but they did an excellent job. Look underneath the mat. It's like new. Okay, it's like new. And that trunk lid just hit me in the head. Oh boy. Wind. It's windy here today. Beautiful trunk. Engine sounds excellent. Hear the exhaust. Well guys, this is a beautiful car and we'll go for a little test drive now. So, horn works, wipers function, left turn signal, it clicks, but this bulb is burnt out. I'll get that taken care of. Right side functions. Radio works, but it sucks. So I'm gonna replace the radio with the speakers. Heat defrost works, air conditioning functions. Everything else there works excellent as well. Temp gauge, you got 45, 50 pounds of oil pressure. The volt gauge is not working, but I will get that fixed along with the temp gauge. So basically, I'm gonna swap out that whole 3-pot there with the new setup. I don't like how that's. All right, we're back in the car. Gonna go for a test drive. Okay, is ready? All right, so we got power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning, 4-speed manual, 12-bolt posi rear end. Car steers really good. No weird noises going down the road, as you'll hear. Nice and smooth. Speedometer works excellent. It's showing 36,451 miles now that I can see it more accurately. Fuel gauge works. Drive. We're cruising 40 miles an hour right now. Nice and smooth, no issues. Blowing cold air conditioning. I love this car, man. Car's from Georgia, if I didn't mention that earlier. Bumps really well. It doesn't pull to the left or to the right. It's got a Hearst shifter in it. I think anybody who buys this car is going to be really happy. The exhaust sounds really good too. So we'll go for a little bit longer test drive here, guys. Beautiful 91-degree day here in Addison, Illinois. Rust-free 68 Camaro in really good condition. So we'll just do a U-turn here. And just go the other way. Do a U-turn. Most of my cars are sold online, and this is my reason why I do a lot of photos, 100 photos, nice long video with the walk around and test drive, because I sell honest cars. I'm not looking to hide anything. I'm transparent. I have 100% feedback on eBay, and if the car does have issues, I fix them anyway. Just like I mentioned a couple things on this one earlier about the left turn signal not working, and the radio sucks, to be honest with you. And the volt gauge, it goes on and off, which I'm going to replace that with the temp gauge. So I want you guys to get the car, have no surprises, and, you know, really honestly be happy with it. Enjoy it, cruise around, enjoy your investment. I mean, these cars go up every year about 10%. Enjoy your investment. If you ever decide to sell the car, you know, in the future, call me, okay? Call me back. I'm willing to buy it back because it is a good car. Car downshifts really, really nice as well. Have air conditioning on a 90-degree day, guys. I mean, I have the windows open still, but vintage air is the best. Car stops really nice too. You're on the brake, the car stops nice and straight. It doesn't go left or right. Seat belts are intact. Center console is nice. You put a leather boot on it. I think it looks better. So if you guys need delivery worldwide, not a problem. Otherwise, you can call me, text me with your zip code, and I'll get you a quote to get this thing delivered to you. I'll give you my phone number at the end of the video here. I handle all financing. If you got good credit, you're going to get a good rate. I think 650 as a credit score and up should qualify you. We do have no money down options as well for qualified buyers. So you can definitely ask me for a credit application if needed, and we'll get that going for you guys. So we're cruising 50 miles an hour. The car's going straight as an arrow. Really nice. Tons of power on this car. Anything else you guys are looking for? If you want to see photos on this Camaro, go to mgmclassiccars.com and you'll find photos and video. Well, you're watching the video, but photos of this car and a couple others, not a couple, more than a couple that I have in my inventory that are for sale right now. You can check that out at mgmclassiccars.com as well. So air conditioning's blowing cold, gentlemen. Feels great. All my lights work. My exterior left turn signal does work, but not the inside, which I told you I'll get that fixed. It's just the bulb. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, call me and text me. Call me or text me anytime. My number is area code 848. I'm sorry, my area code is 847-848-1850. Again, that's area code 847-848-1850. Call me, text me anytime. Be more than happy to answer any and all your questions on my Camaro or any of my other classic muscle cars. Thank you so much for watching.